Hey guys, this is Calvin, the interior designer for the VION company, and I just want to show you guys how to actually shop IKEA and the benefits of using them sometimes when you have small spaces. So IKEA does this fantastic job of creating little vignettes, and in the vignettes, when you shop their store, you see you need to pay attention to the square footage that's inside of the vignette. For instance, this little vignette is 430 square feet. And so they're showing you how much you can get inside of 430 square feet. So let's look in here. We got a nice little entertainment area. That's a pretty good size. We got a nice little sofa, a little table. Looks like they did a mid wall with some storage up above. We got our little small galley kitchen on the side. Here we got a full refrigerator, slide-in oven, microwave combination. We still have our small sink. This is just enough, and I don't think there's a dishwasher in here. So no dishwasher, so you gotta wash your dishes and dry them. But this is 430 square feet. So in back of it, we have a nice little bedroom with a built-around for storage. That's probably for your clothes. Window, we got some more storage here on the wall. And then we have our little bathroom right in here with the whole shower and situation. Um, Nice sink, shower, toilet. So when you're looking for small spaces, just to get an idea, if you don't have a designer, go take a look at IKEA because they do a wonderful job at packing small spaces and giving you the most out of it. If you don't have a designer, again, they can give you some really great ideas to work from. But thank you guys so much for watching. On to the next project. Well, I'm actually here. I'm actually here today to shop for a client. I think I'm gonna try to do their library all out of IKEA furniture because it's a very small room and I need as much flexibility and versatility as possible. So I'm here at IKEA. So we'll see. So thank you guys so much for watching and on to the next project.